Welcome back. As you may know, the maximum size of an email is only 25 megabytes. In this video, I will show you how to send up to 2 gigabytes in a mail with zero cost. This folder is 1.56 gigabytes large and I will show you how I send it with email. Open your browser and go to WeTransfer.com. Agree to terms and conditions. Add the files you want to send with email. Type the email you want to send your files and then type your own email above that. You can also type a message to be seen by the receiver of this email. Click on Transfer and verify your email. Now wait for the process to end. With WeTransfer.com you can send up to 2 gigabytes, but you can always go pro and be able to send up to 20 gigabytes. Done. Let's check out if our email was sent. Our files have been successfully sent. Those files will be available to download from the receiver for 7 days. Enjoy!